Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing super awesome. My name is Jessie. So in today's video, we will be unboxing, reviewing and trying on some coloured contact lenses from the third eye, or TTDEYE. I just received this a couple of days ago and I told them to pick for me the most natural coloured contact lenses that they stock. So I don't even know what is in here. I can't remember what they've chosen, but we're gonna go through them. And these are their most popular natural coloured contact lenses. So it literally came in this cute little box. Let's see what we have. So they give you, for each contact lens that you order, they've given a separate case and an applicator. So case for the contacts, case for the contacts, case, and then an applicator inside. So there's 4 of these. I love how when you place your order, they give you a bit of extra things, even though they may or may not be necessary, but they're really cute. So it's always a surprise when I get my packages. Got these 4 little cases of glitter as well. Pink, red, green and silver. Okay, so it's a little hello card. And we have some stickers. Cute. Finally to the contacts. I've got 4 pairs right here. Let's have a look. What did I get? Ooh. So each of these contacts lasts for 1 year. Obviously, give and take, depending on how well you look after them, but they can last up to 1 year. Each of these case has 2 lenses, 1 for each eye obviously. First one we've got Nova Green. So I asked for the most natural, best-selling coloured contact lenses and this is what they've given me. So I actually don't know what I have. Nova Green. They come in these 2 little sealed packages. You have to make sure that they're always sealed before you use them. These ones look like, so they've got a bit of a texture green in the middle and then tiny bit of grey around the outside. So the next one is Polar Lights Grey. I've actually tried their Polar Lights Brown in my last video. Absolutely love the colour. It looks so natural. So I'm super excited to see the Polar Lights Grey. This should be really nice as well. Here it is. It's actually so light that you can barely see it. It's the colour of the packaging. I hope you guys can see it. It's kind of camouflaged with the packaging, but it's definitely there. So it kind of looks like a really light grey colour. So I hope this really blends well with my eyes. Really excited to try these. Next up we have Spanish Grey. So these ones are also quite light. They also blend with the packaging as well. The difference is that this one has a bit of texture and it's got a brown and then slightly darker grey in the inner pupil. Definitely not as completely grey as the Polar Lights. And our last one is Juice Grey. Wow, they've given me 3 grey contact lenses. Grey must be really popular. Okay, so these ones are slightly different than the previous ones. This one has light grey texture around the outside of the rim, so you can actually see these a bit more in here, and then it's got a brown textured circle around the pupil as well, but this time it's like kind of like dots. Each of these have an expiry date of 2024, so we do have a couple of years to actually store them, but I think once you open it, then they only really last 1 year. On the packaging, it just gives you a bit of detail about the contact lenses, which is great. Now to the fun part, let's try them on. So I've unpackaged all of them, put them into clean solution. We're going to let it sit there for a couple of hours and then we're going to try them on. So I've laid it out in order and put the boxes on top of it so I know which colour's what when it comes to trying, because it can get a little bit confusing. Once that's finished soaking, I'll be right back. Alright, so for this next part, make sure that your hands are really clean. In these little boxes, they come with a little applicator. When putting contacts in, I actually prefer to use my fingers because I freak out a little bit when something other than my fingers touches my eye, especially this thing. I don't actually know how to use it properly. First pair that we're trying is the Juice Grey. This was the one that had grey around the outside and then some brown texture around the pupil. We're done for the first one, Juice Grey. Yep. I love these, they look so nice. I know grey is not really like a natural sort of looking colour, but when you do wear it, it looks so natural. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the ring light. These are actually so comfy. Next up is the Spanish Grey. So this was the one with a bit of texture around the pupil. So in the middle of the pupil, and it's got a bit of grey, a bit of brown. I love these. These look so natural as well. So I think these ones were a little bit darker than the previous ones. I think it's because there's clear area around the outside. More of my actual brown eye shine through, so it is slightly darker. But then the patterns actually blend in really, really well. And these are really soft and comfortable. So I'll show you what it looks like with the ring light. I really like it, they're so comfortable. So normally I don't actually wear coloured contact lenses, but if I do, they will be brown just because I prefer the more natural looking sort of colour. These ones I can definitely see myself wearing because they look so natural. I'm loving both of the colours so far. We've got 2 more to go. Let's try the rest. The final grey colour that we're trying on today is the Polar Lights Grey. So these are the ones that we could barely see in the case. It was just completely grey. So I'm picturing this to be actually pretty light in colour, and hopefully it is also natural looking. So these are the Polar Lights Grey. They are really, really light, and I think they're really pretty. They make my eyes sparkle. So I was afraid that these ones were not going to look natural, but they actually look pretty natural. So there's textures around the grey that I couldn't see earlier because of the camouflage. But once you wear it, your brown pokes through and there is a pattern and there is a texture on your pupils. So it actually does look natural and it does blend in. I actually really like these. It's definitely a different vibe and I'm not complaining. Let's have a look without the sunlight. We are going to try our final one. So excited for the green. Nova Green. These green ones, I am obsessed. I love these. I feel like it's a mixture between grey, green and brown. So it's kind of like a tinted green, tinted grey and a tint of brown in it. And I think it looks super nicely blended together. I'm obsessed with this green one actually. I love this. And it looks so natural. It's not like a really, really bright green where it's just completely fake and you look like a cat with superpowers. I just love how comfortable these are, even after putting 4 pairs in my eyes continuously and I'm standing in the sun. It doesn't actually feel straining at all. It still feels really soft and comfortable. Now if you guys do want to purchase from the Third Eye, make sure you use my code Jesscbee to save you some money. I'm definitely wearing these for the weekend. Now for just the ring light. Alrighty, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching as always, and thank you to the Third Eye for providing me with these beautiful coloured contact lenses suggestions. I really love them all. They were all so natural looking. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below which one was your favourite. Please remember to like and subscribe as always. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.